Yeah! Watch out! Uh-oh!
Well, what really wound me up here was literally cyclists. I do a lot of cycling myself. I've done a lot in the past, and there's just no excuse for these group of riders. It's like they're not on the Tour de France, the Tour de Britain, or anything like that. You know, they're just a group of lads and lasses getting together, going for a lovely ride out. But none of them get into a single file to let me pass. I'm not hassling them because I don't want to hassle them. I don't want to beep the horn aggressively to say, can you, like, you know, filter into a single line and let me past. I was just hoping that their common sense would prevail and, you know, go into a single file and let me past. But this is how some cyclists can be just ignorant and just, they were aware that was behind them. There's no, you can definitely tell there's traffic behind because you can obviously hear your cars. And even on this stretch of road here, which is clear, they didn't make any effort at all to sort of get into a single file. And this is why cyclists get a bad name. You know what I mean? It's just, there's no excuse. They were glancing back, they could clearly see I was behind, and they're just making no effort at all to get to go into a single line. But I still didn't, you know, some people say, why didn't you beat the horn at them? But I'm just not like that. This is just a video just to make people aware. Or any cyclists out there, it's like, you know, you're on a public road, we pay tax, you don't pay tax, or if I'm a cyclist, I don't pay tax. You know, have a bit of courtesy for the users that do, and let the vehicles pass. I mean, look at them, they're just completely covering the road now. I mean, understandable if it was a professional organised race, like the Tour de Britain or something like that, which is completely different. But it's just that they just give us cyclists a bad name, doing that. And yeah, it's just annoying. So if there's any cyclists out there, get the single file if his car's behind you, and let them pass. Toodaloo.